Hey guys, so for today's video I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette and the Amrezy Highlight. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please give the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe while you're down there and check out my social media. And if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so for today's video I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette. First shade I'm going to take is Orange Soda. I'm going to apply this to my crease and I'm going to use it as my transition shade. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Burnt Orange. Next shade I'm going to take is Sienna. I'm applying this to my outer corner and working it into my crease. So I can definitely tell that the sienna in this palette is a lot more powdery and a lot more pigmented than the single eyeshadow, because I have sienna as a single eyeshadow. It is not that powdery, but that is a-okay. It is a beautiful color. It blends really well. So I'm going to apply some translucent setting powder under my eyes, just so in case there's any fallout, just so I could just wipe it away. Next shade I'm going to take is Mulberry, and apply this shade to my outer corner. Now I'm going to take the NYX gel liner and I'm going to do a wing. I'm going to go in with Nior and I'm going to smudge out my wing. So that's one eye done. I'm going to do my other eye off camera and I'll be right back. The lashes I use were the Lily lashes in the style Mykonos, and for my lips I'm using the ABH liquid lipstick in Ashton. Now the only thing I need is highlight, and for that I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in Amrezy. So that's the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!